Verifying your bank account on Venmo is essential for transferring funds and ensuring secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines with the profile icon in the top corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This section will show you your linked bank accounts and cards. Step 4. Auto-select your bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Venmo will typically make 2 small deposits into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these amounts, then return to the Venmo app to enter the deposit amounts for verification. Once confirmed, your bank account will be verified. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your bank account on Venmo, allowing you to make transactions with ease.